Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, share what I got for Valentine's Day and Miss Tamika got. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this hair unboxing. So I purchased myself something from Chanel, y'all. Yes, honey, Chanel. Something from Chanel. Going back and forth with something from Louis Vuitton, something from YSL, and then something from Nordstrom. Wanting something from Chanel because I went in to Chanel one day and I was just looking, and I don't know, I didn't even think to go into Chanel to look for this particular item. And when she showed me a whole like tray of stuff, I was like, oh my gosh, I want a Chanel. Like, I don't even want the Louis Vuitton anymore. So I was just like, let me go on over to Chanel. So here's the cute packaging. I told her to wrap it cute because it's like a gift. I'm gonna try to wrap it back up cute so I can do the do a reel. So here it, oh, look at the cute receipt holder. See, and this is the lady. Her name is Mia. She was really nice. Oh my gosh, you all, look how cute. Like, oh my gosh. All right, I'll wrap this back up nicely. Second Chanel in-store purchase, because my first Chanel purchase was at King of Prussia Mall when I was in PA, and my second one wasn't at a store, it was Fashion File. But this one is considered like my second Chanel piece. Anytime I purchase luxury, I always start small and work my way up. I'm not saying I'm getting a Chanel, but you never know. So here is the box. So as you can see, it's something small, of course. Out of the box, I love the way the holder feels. Chanel information. I heard they don't do the black card anymore. It's like a chip inside of the Chanel pieces or whatever. Like I said, I'm not about Chanel, so again, if I'm wrong, correct me down below. But I remember like way back when they used to have like a little black kind of like credit card to show that it was authentic. But like I said, I don't think they do that anymore. Free love, you probably could get one, but the newer pieces are not like that. These here little cards, and I probably use this to show you. As you can see, it is, like I said, something small. So I'm going to use these to show you how cards fit. I'm sure you know. But yeah, you all, I purchased something from this hair card holder, you all. When I tell you, when that lady showed me the whole display of card cases, I was like, oh my gosh. I don't even know why I didn't go to Chanel. Because I was back and forth with the Louis Vuitton. I wasn't 100% sold because I don't know, I wanted the leather version. I liked the leather, but it just felt like, I don't know, it wasn't giving me like happy vibes. Maybe it was the color. Now I felt like I was in a candy store. Like, it was so many pretty colors. Like, oh my gosh, I was just like, Tamika, get you a Chanel card holder. Why are you back and forth? Get the Chanel. Same. So I ended up with this here piece, and let me tell you exactly let me tell you the actual name of this particular item. I ended up liking the 19 card holders. I actually like the bag that's in this particular style too. I saw some flat like Chanel card holders, but I don't know, they just wasn't like screaming to me. I think it's more so the material, the way this is made. Like, it's so soft and squishy, you all. Like, this here is so cute. Now they had the traditional black, but I was like, I want to pop a color. And they had a pink, but I didn't like that shade of pink. It was like that dark pink. I didn't care for that shade and colors, but I don't know, they just wasn't screaming. This one, I was like, okay, I like this one. So the Chanel versus the Louis Vuitton and the YSL, you get two slots in the front, and then you get two in the back. So that's the only difference. But here in the front, I probably more likely card or my driver's license here in the front. So I'm gonna show you really quick how it looks with cards in the inside. a few cards just so you can see. Now I will say in the front you can probably put 2 in the inside. You can hold 2 cards in the front. It just don't have 2 card slots, but you can hold 2 cards. I'll place my Starbucks card. It's got card I got last year for my birthday. Here in the back, I believe you could probably put 2 cards in here. But for me, I'll probably just keep the back with just 1 card and maybe place 2 cards in the front. I don't need to overstuff this because y'all know I already have a card case in my bag. Overstuff this because like I said, whatever can't fit, it'll just go into my other card case. The top, you do have a slot and it's kind of tight because of the 2 cards. So let me just take one of the cards out. Now this here Apple card is heavy. It's made, maybe if I take that out. I don't normally carry cash, but if for whatever reason you do have cash, it can fit here at the top. So like I said, I was thinking of maybe putting like a $20 bill in here and just an emergency or something. But if not, I can place 2 cards here in the middle. So this is a total of 2, 4, 6. So it's a total of 6 cards. Okay, so you can put 2 cards in the front. I have my Apple card in the middle, and then I have these here too. So I knew I wanted the card hold, the 19 card holder, because I don't know, it's just so cute and squishy. Like I wish you can feel it. The leather one that I was looking at, and I like that one, but when I went to look at it, it had like a little black spots on it, and I was rubbing it and it wasn't coming off. And I wasn't going to keep rubbing it because it wasn't mine to keep. But I was just like, okay, do I want to deal with something like that? Because y'all know these card cases are not cheap. And I was just like, you know, with me putting it in my bags, and if it rub up against something, or something scratches it, I would just die. They don't really have a warranty on the card holders. I don't know if that's true or not, but I don't see why not. Like, anything you buy usually come with some type of, you know, warranty, at least a year. So I do take care of my stuff because I do have the like I said, the Chanel card case. This one I like a lot. I have gotten this in the gold hardware, and then this one came in a lot of different colors. A lot of card cases that look like this, but of course I didn't want to purchase something like this because this is not what I was looking for. But I did like the colors. Had I saw this first in different colors, I would have got the color one. I added this to my collection. So this is my current Chanel collection. My 3 pieces, like I said, this is the one I got off of Fashion File, and this one I got from King of Prussia, Chanel, and this one was from Atlanta, Chanel. So we got my card case. I know I done did a few unboxings, but like I said before, and I'm going to say it again, regardless if I keep it or not, I will still do the unboxing because somebody else, it may be helpful to somebody else. That's the only reason why I still upload the videos there regardless. I know some people don't agree with returns, but for me, if I don't like something, I don't care what it is, I'm going to return it. I like the YSL card case. I like that one a whole lot. I just like the one from Louis Vuitton because it had the little charms, and I was thinking, okay, let me get the leather version. That leather version, it felt so thin, and I don't know, it didn't feel luxury. It felt kind of cheap, and I'm like, if I'm paying that much money for a leather wallet, it needs to like feel like something. And you can see this feels like something made like this with the little charms on the side. I would have that, but when I got the leather version of that, I just didn't like the way it felt. It made kind of like this, but it just had the one charm, and I wanted the one with the 2 charms. So yeah, so I was just like, when I saw the Chanel, I was like, I'm gonna just go Chanel because you can't go wrong with Chanel. Love to have a bag, but the way the prices are going up, who knows? Now I am carrying this particular bag, so to put this in here, let me take this pencil out because I do not want nothing to get on my wallet. In here, I feel like that pop of color, you can find it. Because with the black, because like now you can see the card case, like that pop of color is like what I needed. So happy. I am so happy I purchased this here Chanel. And it's so crazy because, again, I was not looking for a Chanel card case. And I'm so glad Chanel found me. Like, I don't know what made me go into the Chanel store, but I'm so glad I did, because between the YSL and the Louis Vuitton, because I don't know, I had something really nice. And I don't know, I just wasn't really happy with Louis Vuitton. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because I've been not buying from Louis Vuitton like that, but maybe it's just that I need to switch it up. Because, you know, sometimes when you just deal with one particular brand for so long, sometimes you want to switch it up. And I feel like that's where I'm at with Louis Vuitton. Different. And I feel like this here Chanel is giving me different vibes, like, for real. And I am just so happy and thankful. I am 47. Well, I'll be 47. Not sure when this video is going to go up, but I'll be 47 years old. I don't go on trips around my birthday because my daughter's still in school, and I don't throw myself parties or anything. So that's kind of why I rather just spend the money on a gift, because I have friends now, so somebody may throw me a party, or not even throw me a party, but just like hang out or go out or whatever. So with that being said, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed this here unboxing, and this will be the last card case. I promise you, Chanel is it. No more card cases. I'm done. And that's the only thing that I was looking at, was like a card case. So I'm not sure what else I may look at or may get myself into for this in other colors. So that's probably where I was on purchasing another color in this particular bag, because I do like it. Because the lady from Chanel was like, oh my god, that bag is so cute. And I was like, oh, thank you. I'm trying to incorporate more makeup videos, makeup tutorials, and new things that's at Sephora, because of course y'all know I cannot keep pushing out bag videos, but when I can, I will. But until then, I don't know what other videos you would like to see from me. Matter of fact, drop it down below in the comment section on what videos you would like to see from me. Like, even if it got to do with any of my bags, like if you want me to review any of my SLGs, if you want me to, you know, talk about my other bags, because I do have other bags besides Louis Vuitton. I do have Gucci, I have Marc Jacobs, Coach. So again, let me know down below what you would like to see from me moving forward. My Louis Vuittons do very, very well, but right, pushing out bag videos. Louis Vuitton, I heard, is about to have another price increase, and I'm like, you know, well, y'all know when I buy Louis Vuitton, it's always monogram anyway, because I just feel like I'm not trying to spend that much when I purchase. Now I spend, of course, a few dollars, but I'm not trying to break the bank buying Louis Vuitton. If you enjoyed this here unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.